Welcome to Ayurveda Mentor. I'm very happy to share with you about our flagship health and wellness coaching program, Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga. This is the result of over 2 decades of my clinical practice and interaction with clients. And inside this program, you will find a lot of inspiring, motivating insights based upon Ayurveda and yoga principles. At the same time, the beauty of this program is that it will help you to implement these principles and practices in your daily life. And this is very, very important. What will be the goal for you? If you are already a healthy person, it will help to preserve your health. You will be able to experience positive well being. And there are persons who have some chronic health disorders or autoimmune disorders. If they are going to dedicate to this health and wellness coaching, they will definitely expedite their recovery process, and these modifications in your diet and lifestyle will help you to move toward healing and cure. Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga. It's not like a bunch of videos that are put inside a membership website and you are simply going to watch it like you are watching the Netflix. This is a serious program. It is over 12 months of duration. You will be going to learn about diet, nutrition, exercise, lifestyle, mindset, meditation, relaxation, all the things that are important for your health and well being, and all the things that will take you toward healing and cure and faster recovery. At the same time, I like to point out two things here. The first is the mentoring. This is a mentoring program. When I'm saying mentoring, I will be presenting the stuff of Ayurveda and yoga in such a way that it is still relevant and practical in the modern time and day. Second, when I'm saying coaching, you will be held accountable. You will be led to implement it practically. And that is the role of the coaching. So you consider it a health and wellness mentoring and coaching for over 12 months of period. We are familiar about Ayurveda body mind type quizzes. These are available all over the internet. But I am saying it very categorically. These are superficial and they are not able to produce any good for us. And I'm explaining it. Inside the Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga program, I have over 2 dozens of different types of quizzes that are based upon Ayurveda and Yoga. You will go through them. These are self-evaluation quiz. Then you will have explanation videos. What does it mean to score this much, this much, this much? Then you will learn what are the implications for you. What are the implementation steps for you based upon that quiz, based upon that analysis. And in this way, you will be led toward a specific goal that you desire for your health and well-being. To make the learning and implementation more effective, I have the assignments inside the program. Don't consider it like a teacher and student relationship where you have to write very long assignments and you are afraid of it. This is very sweet, very short and straightforward. You will be writing about a very specific area of your health in 1 or 2 paragraphs, and then I will review it and guide you accordingly. This is to make this learning more effective. We learn better inside a group or community. So there are 2 live group coachings that will be going on for Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga in any given 1 year. At the same time, there will be very limited personal one-to-one coaching that you can avail. Every module and unit of Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga is optimized for multiple devices. You will be able to learn on your cell phone, on your iPad or tablet, desktop or PC. All that you need is internet. Another important consideration is what am I going to learn inside Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga program. You will learn about Ayurveda and Yoga principles. I want to explain these in a different way. You consider these principles and practices like a framework. The most beautiful aspect is this: Ayurveda and Yoga is having a shared framework, and that framework is also present inside our body and mind. That's why it will be very, very interdependent and synergistic way and very effective way. And this is the way our body and mind is also operating. So you will not be bound to a very strict diet or lifestyle. You will be able to make lot of flexible choices to accomplish one goal. I'm giving you a practical example here. You are having hyperacidity or heartburn. You want to overcome it. There are many ways. You can use herbs. You can use amla candy, amla powder, licorice, or asparagus powder. These are different types of powders that you can use. You can optimize your eating behaviors. You can optimize herbal teas. You can take different types of like home remedies after your food that will be effective for the heartburn. You can adopt different type of yoga breathing practices that will help you to overcome hyperacidity and heartburn. So you will find lot of flexible practices to accomplish one single goal. This is the beauty of this system. There is another way to consider Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga program, and I give this example very often inside the live trainings, and this is to consider it like a compass and map or navigation. At any given point of time, whether one person is healthy or having some chronic disorders, we have to make certain choices about diet and lifestyle each and every day. When we have the compass is our body mind type. It is pointing toward a north direction. So our body mind type is pointing toward the north direction. That is what is truly healthy for us, what diet and lifestyle are healthy for us. Then we are at some point. We have to make choices about diet and lifestyle each and every day. When we have the compass and we have the navigation, we know about the nature of different things, how they are going to interact with our body and mind, then it will be very easy to align, to transform our life by making the right dietary and lifestyle choices, and you will be able to move toward health and well-being each and every day, whatever you are doing in your daily life. When you will be going through Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga program, it will give you lot of flexibility and freedom of choice. You will be able to make the right choice, the appropriate choices in the field of diet, nutrition. You want to choose some herbs or supplements, exercise or lifestyle. So you will enjoy the freedom of choice with it with lot of flexibility. The one reality of online training programs is that most persons never go through that even once. I have taken all the measures to make it interactive and engaging. I always say that this is a practical program. Every week you need to devote only 60 to 90 minutes of time. That is sufficient. You can do it once a week, or you can put 20 to 30 minutes time 2 or 3 times a week. So it is giving you certain freedom here as well. At the same time, even if you are having certain chronic disorder or autoimmune disorder, you do not have plenty of time. You have very limited time. So all the like principles and practices, the final goal of all these is that you are able to devote 30 to 60 minutes of time every day, and that will make you healthy. That will help you to recover fast and lead you on the path of healing and cure. When you enroll and go through Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga program, there are three objectives that it can do for you. The first one is for the healthy persons. If you are a healthy person and want to lead a vibrantly healthy life with very good immunity, lot of vitality, energy, fitness, optimized weight, and health of body and mind, then it has everything for you here. Another category of person, another objective is if you are susceptible to certain health issues, whether it is because of your age, occupation, diet, lifestyle, whatever the cause of it, you will have plenty of guidance to overcome these and definitely move toward healthy category. You will be enjoying health and wellness. If you have some chronic disorder or autoimmune disorder and you want to manage it holistically and naturally and gradually overcome it, then Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga is one of the best choices for you to make. When you adopt this wisdom of Ayurveda and Yoga, it expedites the recovery process along with proper medical and natural treatment. This point is very important for you to understand. I am not saying that you adopt Ayurveda and Yoga wisdom and all of your disorders will simply go away in some time. This is not a miracle. When you have some chronic disorder, autoimmune disorder, you know they are very nasty. They are progressive in nature. As you grow old, the intensity of those disorders will become worse and worse. That's why your focus on proper management and proper healing and cure should be there, and you have take all the measures. You should take Ayurvedic treatment or natural treatment. Along with that, if there is need, you can definitely take medical treatment. And then you will be adopting this wisdom of Ayurveda and Yoga as your dietary measures, lifestyle measures, and it will take you on a path of healing and cure very naturally and gradually. You have to understand that this healing energy that will lead you to natural cure, it is inside you. All the efforts that you are making here, they will be taking you, they will be unleashing that internal energy and then leading you toward health and well-being. If you have some questions or queries about Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga program or Ayurveda and Yoga in general or Ayurvedic treatment, I will appreciate having these. I will reply you personally. Thanks for watching this video. Embrace Ayurveda and Yoga in daily life. Have better health and greater happiness now and always. Thank you. Namaste.